cousin Evans. So you guys, my cousin McKinley can make this weird burping noise. It sounds like a zip tie. Do it again. Say die and burp.
Die.
Hey, are y'all out there?
That's absolutely terrifying, and I hate it.
This is Diet Coke. I'm a Diet Coke. I'm a Diet Coke.
There, she got it. Totally wasn't covered.
I think all the trick or treating happened last night.
Totally wasn't covering it.
Yeah. The new houses.
That was the burp.
But look outside, you guys.
Make them zoom into your mouth.
Alright.
There you
well,
go. It's just the face of a gun.
I don't know if they're
Look
doing
up
it
there.
in town or not.
Look up there, you guys.
That's
See
what
the
they trick-or-treated in
beautiful
town.
sunset. You guys, this is beautiful staying with my cousin. She's so ugly, but I'm so smexy.
Okay.
Hot, and she's ugly and pathetic.
So sexy.
You're like James and the Giant Peach and Aunt Sponge. Goodness, has anybody watched out?
You're like him.
Yeah.
I'm not like Aunt Sponge.
Alright.
Do I look like a fat pig? Does my tummy show? Do I boast about how I look and smell like a rose?
Yeah.
Do I boast
Yeah,
about
tell
my
her to call
feet
me.
looking beautiful?
Alright, Bubba.
Well, then I'm not Aunt Sponge from James and the Giant Peach. That's not what that's what Aunt Sponge does. He abuses a little kid.
You
And-
do that to me.
No, I don't. No, I don't. You two, please. You two, please.
Yes,
Please,
you
you two.
do.
Please, 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 you two, please. This girl's pathetic.
Oh my goodness, at the people.
What?
We should quit now, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
No, this is dumb. How pathetic are we? Pathetic.
It's not getting dumb, it's getting stupid.